phone. What's going on, guys? Karl here, back with a very special episode, the first on the channel. Kind of clueless why I haven't done this before. It is a mega unboxing haul. Essentially, every single month, I get a ton of tech items, and sometimes it just gets too overwhelming that I can't look at everything, but this is the episode that you have to watch. If you've missed out on any one, this is the only one that you should watch every month, as it encompasses everything, and there is, of course, swag to win. So before we start today's episode, there is a back to school laptop giveaway. That was the giant Surface episode that I did with Microsoft and Staples. The winner is right now on Instagram, just announced it, so make sure you go check that out. Congrats. And as part of this series, I am still hooking you guys up. This episode, actually, Blackberry reached out and they're giving away a brand new Key 2 to one of you peeps. So super simple to enter. Just be sure to sub to the channel, keep watching these videos, putting up with my face, and I will announce the winner over on Instagram, so make sure you follow me over there as well. I'll have a corresponding Insta story, and just let me know which of all these random items is, of course, your favorite. I will keep it, of course, brand new in the box for whoever wins this guy. So the rest of the stuff, you may have seen tidbits throughout the episodes of the month. I will maybe start off with the kicks first. I got these SwiftNet Prime Knits, which was part of the back to school kind of mega locker package. Maybe not as comfy as Ultra Boost, they're a bit cheaper though, and the person that actually won that mega locker giveaway also just won a pair of these. More from Microsoft actually, and this is the Surface Go. And for those of you that missed out, this is an all-in-one tablet hybrid that retails for $400, so a lot of value. Another big laptop that came out the past month was the 2018 MacBook Pro lineup. The spec that I went for was the mid-tier model, and I stayed away from the i9. I know there were a few throttling issues. They did fix those with some software updates, though I just went for the good old i7. I did boost everything up 32 gigs of RAM, and I didn't get that 3 terabyte SSD, as I do think that is a tad bit overkill in price for what you're getting. The accessory that I chose that I actually just picked up was the MacBook Pro leather sleeve. You can see it here, that is holding actually my 2016 MacBook Pro. It kind of fits perfectly, it's premium, it's a bit luxurious, and it keeps things nice and protected. Perfect for when I'm commuting and on my way to work also, as I do sometimes use my MacBook Pro as my work laptop, even though my boss probably doesn't like that too much. Let me see here, what's next? Let's go for the corner guy here, which is another smartphone. I was also at the launch of the Galaxy Note 9 this month. It honestly is such a beast. It packs the latest silicone. It has one of the best displays that I've used, and of course the handy S Pen, which I still love, maybe don't use as much already, even though it's a couple weeks old. My full revisited review for the Note 9 is in the works. I know it's still technically not available to most people out there, but luckily I've been able to use mine a ton over the past couple weeks. Next up, you can probably see a little sneak peek of orange here, and this is a Nintendo Switch that I got last month, and I know the Switch has just reached that milestone of being a year old. It's been honestly awesome though. I know it has a ton of amazing reviews. I've of course been crushing Zelda, and the best part, Colorware hooked me up with the custom paint job. Just like my AirPods, if you're looking for custom painted stuff, Colorware should have you hooked up. This magazine, which you may have glimpsed in the thumbnail, is actually from Away. It came with this travel suitcase. It's the bigger carry-on. I've done a couple campaigns with them. It's now my second piece of Away luggage, and if you've seen any of my tech travel pack episodes, you know that this guy features a lot, and it can easily handle all of this gear, plus probably way more. And since this was my first unboxing episode, I'm almost sure I forgot a couple things, but bear with me as this episode becomes more refined. I know you guys love to see all of the tech and goodies that I do get here in the studio. And remember, this month, big shout outs to Blackberry. Make sure you check Insta, and in a week, I will announce that and of course refresh you with who won this in my next month's episode at the end of September. Hope though you guys enjoyed this very new episode series. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And remember to let me know your favorite piece of tech that you saw that I picked up in August. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.